Hi, today let's talk about Dr. Mopen oxygen concentrator demo. Once you open the box, you will find this oxygen concentrator along with one remote, nebulization kit along with mask, medicine box and a tube, and one set of nasal cannula along with user manual and product care and maintenance sheets. Before putting the plug, please follow the instructions carefully. Now it's time to fill the humidifier water tank. Let us see how it's going to happen. It comes like this. Remove this cover. And you have to Kashinath water. Just you have to fill the water. Yeah, this is the water level up to maximum. You have to fill the water in this water tank, and ensure that you are using distilled water or purified water. Please don't use tap water. Suggested is distilled water or RO water. We call it as purified water. Once you fill the water, just fit it like this. Yes, now the machine is ready to use. Put the plug, switch on the machine, and for this product, there is on and off button over here. This is on.
Welcome to use oxygen
Now let's talk about display panel of this particular product. This is start and switch button. Once you press this button,
begin. 5 liters per minute.
for this main knob, there are 4 options available, or 4 settings options available. One is flow, oxygen flow. Like you can see over here, this machine works with, up to from 1 liter to 5 liters. 1 LPM, 2 LPM, 3 LPM, 4 LPM like that. If you want to change this, you can use this plus and minus button to adjust. Now you can see here 4 liters, 3, 2, 1. This is increasing button up to 5 liters per minute. Next option, timings. For timings, you have to change this knob to timing. So you can see timing settings has been activated. If you want to set the timings, you can use this plus button and you can change it to 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes, 5 minutes, up to maximum 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, like that you can set it. This is to decrease. Once you set the time, that after that it will automatically switch off. Next is, we'll change it to volume button. In this, there are 3 options for volume. One is low, medium, high volume. For 4th option, in this Dr. Mopen oxygen concentrator, it comes with
Music selection.
music option. For that, again, it's preloaded songs which is available.
Music
Let us see.
selection. Mute.
You can select the songs by changing
Shuffle
this mode.
plus mute. Shuffle play.
Additional to all these features, one more button is there. That is help button. A person who is using this particular product, if in case of emergency, he can press this SOS button.
I need help. I need help. I need.
Alarm. This is a display where you can check the oxygen concentration purity. It's showing 87. Once you, after 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, it go up to 93, 95%. As per technical specification, what Dr. Mopen has mentioned is 93% plus or minus 3%. Now you can see it's 93. It's increased to 94. Up to 95, it will keep on increasing or decreasing as per the availability of the oxygen concentration output. Dr. Mopen oxygen concentrator net weight is 16.5 kg. I'm happy to say that it comes with remote control. There are 2 ports available in this particular product. Just to press this, you can see 2 ports over here. This is for usage of nebulizer, and this is for oxygen. O2 means this port indicates to use to fit this particular tubing over here to get the oxygen concentration. Go. This is a HEPA intake air filter. If you want to replace this, just pull this HEPA air filter. It comes like this. You have to replace this filter every 1000 hours. or as per the usage of your product in that actual environment it depends on. It's time to fit the HEPA filter and close the panel. To place, after the usage, you can place this nasal cannula over storage bin which is provided. You can open the lid, you can put it and close it. As explained earlier, this product comes with two options. One is for nebulizer usage and second one is oxygen concentration usage. If you are to switch on to oxygen concentrator, or you call it as O2 or nebulizer, you have to press this start button continuously for 2 seconds.
Nebulization.
Now this machine is working as nebulizer. If you want to switch it to oxygen,
Nebulization.
switch off the machine, press it
Oxygen
normally.
therapy
So
begins.
now O2 is working.
Liter per minute.
For more information, please call 1800117600. Yes, it's our customer care number. Or please log on to www.morepen.com. Thank you. Thanks for watching.